Hello everyone, it's Kay here. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be going to do an unboxing from Witchcraft Do You Do, and I just was watching Kerry and her mum talking about their business and their history of the business, and showed some of their boxes, and I really liked some of the boxes, so I thought I would buy a couple. And so it came in one big box. The two boxes came. I bought two boxes, and the two boxes came in one big box, sort of like side by side. And this was wrapped around the big box. So the paper is so I found out from watching Kerry one day, is actually designed by Rennie, who is also a part of the business. And Kerry was saying that Rennie and Anne live in Tasmania and she lives in Melbourne. I hope I've got that right. Anyway, so I've got the two boxes, and I sent a little bit of a thank you, which is very nice. What did I get? Oh, that's cute. A little dragonfly stencil, a feather, chipboard piece, and a butterfly. That'll be good. And vintage photograph. I don't know what you call this. Is that sort of like Hessian, yellow Hessian? That'd be good for making a little material cluster. Oh, I like this idea. Oh, that'd be perfect for my journal, my white journal. It's a really great. I've got an envelope, but they've cut off the side. That's a great idea. That's a great idea. That's good, because that's why half the reason why I like buying things. Sometimes you get some really good ideas. That's a bit of old vintage paper, a tag shape, and that's a tag as well, and a bit of a letter saying what part of some of the things you can buy on their website. I have bought physical items from them before, but lately I've just been buying a few of their digitals, which I've been using a lot in my making of things. So I hope you can't see my mess on the side. I'm halfway through making a journal, and I just shoved things to one side so we could do this. So this is box 380, so we'll do this one first. Oh, I just can't even open the box without wrecking it. That's a nice bit of paper. I like that. Can I get that off without... I'll have a go at taking that off later. That's lovely. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, that's gorgeous. Some gorgeousness, and I don't know if I can actually use that one. I'll have to put it somewhere, but where, I don't know. I don't have a lot of room. Sure, I'll find some room. That's really good. I like that too. And in the box, I have... Oh, beautiful. Lots of this beautiful trim. I picked this box because of pinks. I don't have a lot of, says me, I don't have really a lot of pink different things, so that's really good. There's some eyelash trim, some, what do you call that stuff? That's another sort of trim. It's a bit of, it's really lovely. A bit of wool or something, thread there, that's lovely too. A bit of ribbon and a bit of lace. That's lovely. A bit of ribbon over here too. Is it the same one? It is, yes. And it's really lovely sort of unicorn type. You call this eyelash trim? I'm hopeless. It's gorgeous anyway. There's a long bit of that. Wow, that's heaps. That's so pretty. That is heaps. I'm half a mind to sort of hang it up somewhere. That's lovely. That's so pretty. And another beautiful, beautiful material cluster. That's gorgeous. And not that I need more lace, but I actually bought it because I quite like the the handmade reels as well, and I like I knew they were going to put some Tim Holtz dolls on them as well. So that's some blue there, and I think Anne sources all the lace from somewhere. So that's really pretty. That's really pretty. That one there. Then you've got these 3 little gorgeous children on a. See if I can keep them together. If I can get that off there. Oh, that's so pretty. That's gorgeous. Oh, it's lovely. That's so lovely. And it's so soft. Beautiful. And another little sort of belly band here. That's cute. Where am I going to put these belly bands? Somewhere. No idea where. I have to think of a special place for them. I don't have any belly bands, really. I just think I've just made my first one for this latest journal I'm making. That's lovely too. That's nice lace. It's really pretty. So many nice things. The Tim Holtz doll. Another pretty lace. I like the colour. I like this soft pink laces. It's gorgeous. Oh, that piece of material. I'm sorry, I'm sighing because every time the people over the back of us go away, their big dog just whines all the time. Beautiful. I love how the little ribbon wraps around there. I'm just a bit loath to actually undo that. I'll just leave it like that because I don't want to undo it. But you can see very delicate little fabric there, and I think it's folded over. Is it folded over, or just one length? It's just one width. Thickness is the word I'm looking for. Sorry. Wow, that's pretty. That's pretty. That's gorgeous. Look at that. That's so pretty. Beautiful to put in a tag, in a journal. Oh, too much gorgeousness. I have to use it as something to copy, because I've been looking at these and I wasn't too sure how to make them. I was watching Gail and she used something special at the top to clip them down, but I can see this is just made together with putting a piece of paper on the top and stapling it. So that's probably where I'm at, my level of competence. Some beads, beautiful beads, and I'm not going to undo the packet of that, otherwise I'll lose all the little beads. Little holes in them, no beads. No beads, can't see if they've got holes in them or not. They're very pretty anyway. Might have to just use them. I don't think they're thread-on beads. I think they're just beads to put in the middle of flowers and stuff. Oh no, they've got little thread-on things, I think. Oh god, it's so tiny. I have to get my magnifying glass out. Beautiful ribbon here. Oh, what do I want to do it? So look. That's that gorgeous. Oh wow, look at that. That's so pretty. That's gorgeous. So that's gorgeous. Really pretty. Really different. Really different. Put that back and tie it. Put that with the ribbon, and I'll tie that in a minute. And some bits of different kinds of ephemera. That'd be good to make things with. Awesome. Lots of different things here. Fabulous. Nice. Good. And another piece of, they've put some handmade things on top of this bit of paper. That's really nice too, how they've done that. It's lovely. This is gorgeous too. Isn't that gorgeous? That's so pretty. I'm going to put this all back in here so that I'm going to not lose it. Put it away. I have to have tidied up my desk properly from making this journal. And I have got this journal that I'm making scheduled, but I'm actually thinking of pushing it back even further. so I can do something else. So I'm promising to make this white journal, but I want to make something that Barbara made on 49 dragonflies the other day, so I'm going to get sidetracked. This is 387, this one. I'm going to get my knife out for this one. Let's get it up. Okay. This one's a green one, so I knew, and that's why I got, because I knew it was green. That's pretty. That's nice. I like that too. There's one of those cards again. That could be recycled and reused. Oh, green tissue paper. I suppose I could recycle that. I'm not sure how, but I'm not very creative when it comes to things that I don't usually use. So let's have a look. Wow, that's another one. I did know that this was part of it, like the stamped fabric. That's gorgeous. And all these other trims. That's beautiful. All on the same pin. That's a good idea. That's lovely. Another one of those vases and some bookmarks. More of this. And I've heard people call this a name, and I can't think of what it's called, but it's very nice. Oh, white. That's good. I might have to take that off my white journal. Collecting anything white at the moment. And I've got some green, lots of green trim. So this is obviously a complementary trim, not green, but it's complementary. Gorgeous trims in there. Beautiful fibres. Trims, fibres. That's a lovely one there, that one there. Gorgeous. There's a big long length of that as well. Oh, fabulous. Sorry, I knocked you then. Another bit of that material that I had before. That's fine. This is more of that... I don't know what to call this sort of fabric. There's a special name for it. I don't know what to call it. That's very nice. I like the colour. And then there's some more green. There's some green fibre there. And some lace. I'm not going to undo this. This lovely bobbin. Well, that's gorgeous. I don't know if I want to do the lace. Can I undo the lace a little bit, maybe? Look at that. That's beautiful. I'll put it together afterwards. And got this broderie anglais. This is very tight. This one. I don't want to cut it. Material. That's my trouble. I just don't want to cut the material. I've started. Oh, it's beautiful. So pretty. That's really pretty. It's lovely. Some pale blue lace. It's almost like a sea green colour. It's pretty. That's pretty. It's lovely. And a bit of brown fibre. Hessian. No, what do they call it? Cheesecloth. Dyed cheesecloth. Some orange. What? Material. I think it's just material, yes. Be useful. And another bit of lace. Love how these little tiny can't think of the word. I had the word before, now I can't remember what it is now. I'm so sorry. There's beautiful buttons. I don't use buttons enough in my journals. And some green beads. So I've got one pink one, one blue one, one green one. So I thought that would just complement everything else that I have in my stash, and give me some ideas of what to do as well for ephemera, because like I said, I just need some help with that particular area. So thank you very much for joining me today, and oops, covering over my gorgeous stuff. I hope you enjoyed seeing the things I bought from Witchcraft You Do, and I have never been disappointed with their things that I've bought from them before. So I think this is about the third box I've bought from them before. So I've got 2 today and 1 previous another time. So thank you very much for being here, and we'll see you again another time. Bye bye.